All right, guys, we are back with our last math lesson for this week. And we are going to be playing a new game that you can play on the Game Center. This game is called Adding Within 100. So it's really, really similar to adding tens like we played yesterday, except this time one of the numbers is going to be just a little bit different. So here's the game. It's called Adding Within 100 if you want to search for that in the Game Center. What your job is going to be to flip two number cards. The difference between these two number cards and the number cards we played with yesterday, both number cards are going to be two-digit numbers. So the second number that you flip over is not going to be a group of 10. It's not going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It's not going to be one of those numbers. It's going to have numbers in the ones place. So let me show you. 34. Okay. Oops. Come back. Okay. 34. And then 12. So last time when we played, this number would have been 10 with a 0 where the 2 is. But now, because we've grown our brains a little bit, we have numbers in the ones place. So we're going to add the same way. We're going to do it the same way as we did yesterday, except this time we're going to have more ones to work with. So let's start by building 34. I see a 3 in the tens place, so I'm going to put 3 groups of 10 over here, 10, 20, and 30. And I see a 4 in the ones place. So I'm going to add 4 little ones down here. Okay, and that's 4 ones. Now I'm going to build the number 12. I see a 1 in the tens place. And now I see a 2. I see a 1 in the tens place, and I see 2 in the ones place. 1, 2, so 10, 11, 12. Okay, so like yesterday, what I like to do is I like to first add all of my tens together, and then I like to add my ones after that. I think that's the easiest way. That's just me though. You might want to do it a different way. Okay, so I'm going to put all of my blue and my red ones over here together, and then I'm going to put my 10 over here. Now I'm going to count my tens, and then I'm going to count my ones. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I switch to count by ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So 34 plus 12 equals 46. Now I'm going to show you how to do this with the 120 chart. You can do the same thing. This one I think is a little trickier, but if you have a 120 chart, it doesn't hurt to help you practice this way. Okay, so 34 plus 12. So I'm going to find 34. And now I want to add 12, and I'm going to write the number 12 over here. In the number 12, I see that there's a 1 right here in the tens place. So that means that's one group of 10. I know that when I move one group of 10, I jump down 1. So that's 10, and now I can move 2 spots by ones. So 10, 11, 12. Did you see how I did that? So I see that this 1 right here means that I need to move 1 spot down. That's one group of 10. Okay? And then this 2 means I need to move 2 spots to the right for my tens place. So 1, 2. And I still got 46. And if I counted this by ones, let me count this by ones so you guys can see it. Oh, come on, erase. Okay. 34 plus 12. I'm going to count 12 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I still got to 46. So let's go ahead and add that to our recording sheet down here. 30, what is it? 4 plus 12 equals 46. Cool beans. Okay. I'm going to do another one since this is new. So I'm going to clear out our board here. Yes, I want to start over. I'm going to put 34 and 12 into my discard pile. That means I've already used them. 27 and 34. All right, let's get to it. First, I'm going to build 27, then I'm going to build 34. I see a 2 in the tens place, so I'm going to need 2 groups of 10, 10, 20, and then now I need 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then now I'm going to build 34 with my red cubes. I see a 3 in the tens place, so I need 3 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, and then I see a 4 in the ones place, so I need 4 little ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, like we talked about yesterday, and like I showed you on the problem before this, I want to put my tens together and I want to put my ones together. So let's put all these little ones over here, and I'm going to move my blue ones over here. And then I will start by counting my tens first because tens are more than ones, and I know that will be easier for me to count them. Okay, so I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and now I'm going to count my ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I made a new group of 10. 60, and then I have 1 over here, 61. Wow. Okay, so these over here are a group of 10. Let me line them up to make 5 and 5 is 10. Okay, so I could switch these guys out for one of these. Okay, so we had 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and then I still had one left, 61. Okay, so 27 plus 34 equals 61. Wow. Okay, let's go to our 120 chart, and I'm going to show you how to do that on there. Okay, let's do 27 plus 34. So let's find 27, and we are going to add 34. Okay, so what that means, I am going to jump, I have a 3 in the tens place. That means I need to jump 30 and then count 4 extra. Okay, let's try that. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and I come down here, 34. And we still got 61. Either way that we did it, we got 61. So I'm going to add 27 plus 34 equals 61. Oh, look who came to say hi. Marco, can you say hi? Are we doing math? Oh, your tail's wagging? You like math? Okay. Starts to look outside. Okay. 27 plus 34 equals 61. I want you guys to play this game on the Game Center. I think that this is a good practice for you to learn how to add these 2-digit numbers. So just like yesterday, you do not have a dojo assignment. So there will not be something on dojo for you to do. That doesn't mean that you don't have anything to do for math. I took a picture of this, Marco. I took a picture of this daily practice for you to do. It is similar to the daily practice of yesterday. So you are counting the cubes, writing the number, counting the cubes, writing the number, and then you are adding both of those numbers together. You can use the cubes to help you, or you can use the 120 chart that I linked on the learning document to help you count and add those together. Awesome work this week, guys. We dug into some really tricky stuff. So keep practicing, play on the Game Center, and work on these daily practice problems. See you next week.